Hello, I hope you're doing fine, and in today's video we are going to talk about the results of the Stack Overflow 2023 survey which are out recently. So in this survey around 90,000 developers have took part, and you can check those developers profile over here. So let's go into education, and I have clicked on professional developers over here. So professional developers are the developers who are working professionally in the industry. So one thing to get ourselves motivated over here is that a lot of people, a lot of developers still does not have any bachelor's degree, and but still they have landed a job. So around 5.8% are still in secondary school, that's like 11th, 12th, and 12.55% are in universities and they are still pursuing their bachelor's degree. A majority of the developers does have a bachelor's or a master's degree. So now moving on to technology. So technology is very important part of this video because technology will ultimately help us to get a high paying job, right? So choosing the right technology is very important. So this survey will help us to find the in-demand technologies which are majority in used by professional developers. So as you can see, JavaScript has topped this survey results with 65%, and then HTML, CSS, SQL, Python, TypeScript, all these are in-demand programming languages. Java and C# are also doing well. C++ is also holds a 20% of the graph. And going down at the bottom, as you can see, there are many programming languages as well, and I would suggest you to just avoid these programming languages. And suppose if you are already working on these technologies, then I would urge you to learn this high demand programming languages, so this will help you to get a high paying job as well. So now let's compare these 2023 survey results with the 2022 Stack Overflow survey results. So let's go into technology and let's go into the programming languages used by professional developers. So as you can see, here is the 2022 result, and this is exactly same and matches with the 2023 results. This means that all these top performing programming languages are still in demand and are consistent since past 1 year. So moving on to databases. So these are the top 5 databases which are used by the professional developers. So PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, Microsoft SQL, all these are the relational databases. So if you know any one of them, then it would be easy to you understand the rest of the three. The fifth one is MongoDB. So this is like the non-relational database, and it is also part of Merge Stack as well. So we will definitely be covering out this topic on our YouTube channel. And the next in line is cloud platforms. So the top 3 cloud platforms used by professional developers are AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Okay, so the next one is very important topic, which is web frameworks and technologies. So this survey will help us to find out which are high in demand web frameworks and technologies which are used by professional developers. So as you can see, React, Node.js, Angular, Express, ASP.NET Core, Spring Boot, Next.js, Vue.js, Node.js, all this tops the list. And let's compare this result with the 2022 survey. So as you can see, the 2022 survey is similar to 2023. This means that these frameworks are quite consistent in past 1 year. So as these frameworks are quite consistent with time, so we will try to focus on these frameworks. So now our favorite subject, which is top paying technologies. So as you can see, this is the list of top paying technologies, and to be honest, I have not even heard about these technologies before. And the reason why these technologies are so high paying is that the demand of this technology is too high, but the supply of the developers is too less. So moving down, there are a lot of other technologies as well which are providing a decent pay, which is Rust. And then there is Python. Python is good because it is commonly used, and there is a lot of open source community as well which will help you, and there are a lot of jobs as well in this particular technology. So if you are a beginner, I would suggest to go with such technologies like Python, JavaScript or something like that to get a decent pay. Now as you can see over here, there is a new section called AI. This AI section was not even present in 2022 survey. It's funny how things changes so fast in just 1 year. So let's check it out. So the question asked in this survey was, do you currently use AI tools in your development process? So 44% of the developers have said yes. So this is a huge number. And if you are still not using it, then please start using it. So I will also create a video where I will show you how to use these AI tools to be more efficient while coding. So that's all about this video, folks. I hope this video and this survey helps you to find the correct technology for you to ultimately find a high paying job. So thanks for watching this video. See you soon.